So don't go, no way. Hey guys, what's poppin'? Now I know you're probably just staring on in horror or the fact that I've done my eyes already, but I didn't want to make this video a really long one because I know all the other antics that I'm gonna add on is gonna make it kind of lengthy now. Unless y'all like the longer videos, then like and comment letting me know. But if you want to see how I get the face that I'm gonna get for emancipation, then keep on watching. Happy emancipation. Y'all know I do something African inspired. Don't mind my t-shirt looking all boss up on saying that's really the style, but we're gonna undo this. We gonna look cute, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna prime my face using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr primer. So long I'll see me do my face. Watch me do my face today now. Only I did some soap brows. Usually when I do soap brows again, then I get to see the full length of my actual brow hairs. And this is it. But I'm still gonna try to like cut down on it when I apply my foundation so that it doesn't look too huge on my face. Now that my face is primed, I've gone on ahead and put on my Revlon Colorstay. This is in the shade Toffee, which is $3.75. This is really my shade, but sometimes I tend to wear 400, which is caramel, if I want a darker look. But I'm just not doing that today, you know. To be honest, I really like to go all out for emancipation, and I feel like every year I don't give it my best, and it's usually because I'm so tired and or just lazy or just exhausted that I'm not in the mood for it anymore, that I don't end up doing it. But I'm really trying to fight through that today because I feel tired and exhausted, and there's a reason for that. The reason for that is because I'm such a procrastinator. Oh my goodness, please don't do that, guys. It's not cool. It's not nice. I'm sure those of us who are, we realize in the moment, like at the last minute, because that's when we function, is that, oh shucks, this was a bad idea. I'm working on being better, guys. I'm really working on being better. So I procrastinated on my look. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. When Wednesday came around, I was like, oh my gosh, I feel so tired. I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna just do it Thursday and Friday. I'm like, don't worry, I'm gonna wake up and I'm going to do it. Then when Thursday came along, I didn't have time to, because I teach with the student hub, right? And I was kind of like still prepping for it, and something else I had to do. Oh, I was gonna go live that night, and I went live on Instagram. I was like, well, no scene, I'll get up early Friday and do it. What time me do that? I went to bed so late Thursday night, and I was like, oh god, I really can't make. But I didn't have a choice because I needed to give myself time to edit this and time to finish the TikTok video. I'm actually doing a TikTok video. By the time you're watching this, my TikTok video is definitely supposed to be out. Or because of procrastination and already feeling tired and letting that consume me instead of pushing through. So, you know, sometimes you really need to push through. It does end up working out for your benefit. And, you know, there are times when you really need to rest. I just applied my L.A Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Bisque, and now I'm going to apply my cream contour. Shucks, I think I went low on this side than this side. Oh well, I think I'm going to blend out the contour first. The reason why I have not blended on my concealer is because I want it to get tacky, so that way it will stay. Stamp it in. You know, I'm not trying to look tired. Nobody's ever trying to look tired. Imagine looking tired and you're wearing makeup. It's because your makeup too have you looking even more tired, because it's not supposed to. So with the proper technique and the proper application, you ain't supposed to be looking tired at all. We look like we coming, you know. We looking like we saying thing. Comment saying thing. I feel like if I blend all in my ivy. Now I'm gonna set it one time because listen to me. Can't afford to crack here today. Not today. I'm taking my Dermablend illuminating powder. This is in the shade Banana, and that is what I'm using to set the highlighted area. I just like buff it in and then dust it away. Alright, so based on what I'm wearing, I think I really wanted to put orange on my face. Yeah man. Okay, I really want to start applying the eyeshadow now. I'm really excited and I hope I don't screw this up. I feel like this orange needs to be below. I might just go in with the next brush and like blend it out, because listen, even with this we blend in properly. Now I want to go in with a darker orange because I wanted a darker orange to the top that gradient into a lighter orange and probably a yellow. I don't know. Oh no. There's a line here and I don't like it. I'm not sure how it looks on the camera because of all this light in my face. I feel like I can barely tell. Time for to move on. I have this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I feel like if it is I use my Ruby Kiss, I'm gonna be circling forever. Meanwhile, with the Jumbo Pencil, I get it done by just spinning it. Right. Y'all know emancipation look is, or a tribal African look is not complete for me without stuff on top of the brows here. Now I'm gonna come down with this to help kind of give the illusion my nose small. Oh, let me see if I get it centered. Let me smoke out my lower lash. I'm telling you a secret, eh? What does make your work a little easier is doing bigger circles. Not small ones, like me. You go be here holy. While it sank, and I'm gonna set it and come back with my lipstick, lashes on, my hair looking good, and the outfits and all the good. So logo, no way, we ain't done.
A few moments later.
I am back and this is the final look. I'm definitely going to include clips of this entire outfit. I need to shout out my sister, BELLE.MUSE. She did an awesome job sewing my outfits for my transitions, for my TikTok video, and for this YouTube video. I hope you guys love it. Please follow her and show her some love. She did an amazing job. It feels comfortable. It feels perfect. She actually did this in one day because, listen to me, I lost complete track of time as to when emancipation was. And then when I realized it was literally next week, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't even have African cloth. And then I was trying to source from seamstress and tailors that I know. And then when I was able to get my hands on it, I had to ask her to give me some quick, some cute, but something definitely emancipation vibes or African tribal vibes. Listen to me, I absolutely love it. I love this so much. I can't wait for you guys to see the video, the pictures, everything. It's so cute. But I hope you guys really love it. I got this headpiece from her as well. Accessories, shout out to my mom because, listen to me, you know, everything hard to source right now. This is also from my sister. I think she made these earrings herself. Like, Listen, real creativity in my house, you know. I'm so grateful. I think y'all should definitely follow my little sister, BELLE.MUSE. I'm definitely gonna link her in my description as well as her IG name on the screen for you guys to follow her. I couldn't have done this without her. So go show her some mad love. I hope you guys really love this look. Also, I know all you have in the time. It's Sunday afternoon, you're chilling. There's another video for you guys to watch. If you guys want to see my last emancipation video, I'm gonna place it right on the screen somewhere here. And then I'm gonna place another video for you guys to watch if you have not seen, like, show my Huda Beauty fake palette video some love. There's not much views on that one, so watch it. And comment. So I'm waiting for it to click the other video now. Out deserves this dress. My house don't deserve this dress. This beat. Mr. Rowler's organize. You know, I tell them to organize and I might even go away if things really open. I'm gonna be too scared.